Hey guys, so my eWin Racing heavy duty gaming chair has finally arrived and I can't wait to open it up and set it up for you. I wanted to give you guys an idea of what the box looks like. So it did come right in this box. All right, let's jump on in. Okay guys, so this is what my first look of the chair is as soon as I opened up the box. There it is. I can't wait to put it together. Let's see how many pieces come. So we have the legs. Put it up here on my desk. We have the back part. We have the bottom. The armrests. There's two. There's the other one. This is part of the bottom. And I'm assuming this is where the hardware and the pole that connects the bottom to the legs is, but let's open it up and take a look. So upon opening the box that was inside next to the bottom part of the chair, we find the assembly instructions. We find a few more parts. Wheels, cover for that, the lever to recline the chair, and that part of it, hardware, the case for the hardware, silica pack, and the pole that attaches the chair to the legs. All right. So as you can see, this is the back part of the chair. It is very nice. Padding is really nice. The stitching is really nice. I mean, there are a little imperfections where the stitching meets here. Focus, there we go. Get it to focus. But other than that, we got the stitching of the logo, the stitching on the side here. Very, very nice. All right. This is the back cushion for lumbar support. Very, very good quality. There's the zipper. And this, you just place it on the chair, you know, wherever you need it on the back. This is the head or neck pillow. You just strap this to the top part of the chair. This is what the bottom of the chair looks like with the armrests already attached. This is what the back of the chair looks like attached to the seat, and the armrests attached to the seat. This is what the base, so the legs of the chair, look like, with the wheels attached, the hydraulic system, and the cover. Okay, and here it is all put together. It was really easy. That's the back part. It's got the side covers right here, and of course the armrests, and it has the reclining level. It's super comfortable. I really like it. And if you guys want to order one, I'll have the link in the description below. And don't forget to use my code MSLG to get 20% off. See you guys next time. Bye.